The mountains call, their silent voices echoing across the vast expanse of snow and stone. They beckon with a promise of cool air, quiet moments, and a sense of wonder that only the high places can offer. Manali, nestled deep in the heart of the Himalayas, is a place where rushing rivers carve through ancient forests and towering deodar trees stand as silent guardians. The Beas River's song is a constant reminder of nature's power, its waters weaving stories of time and resilience. When you arrive, the air is crisp and invigorating, scented with pine, earth, and the promise of adventure. City life fades away, replaced by the gentle rhythm of the hills and the soothing sounds of nature. The real magic lies beyond the town, in high valleys where the world slows down and every moment feels more meaningful. Small villages cling to the mountainsides, their lives guided by the changing seasons. Sunrises paint the peaks in gold and pink, and days are filled with birdsong, the distant bleating of sheep, and the gentle hum of village life. Here, you find the soul of Himachal Pradesh, far from the crowds and noise, where time seems to stand still. The mountains make you feel small, yet deeply connected to something ancient and enduring. Every winding path leads to discovery, a hidden waterfall, a meadow bursting with wildflowers, or a friendly face offering a warm greeting. The people here are deeply connected to the land, their homes built strong against the elements, their lives shaped by the mountains' moods. The mountains teach patience and appreciation for small joys, sunlight streaming through clouds, fresh spring water, and the simple kindness shared between neighbors and strangers alike. In their shadow, you find a peace that lingers long after you leave, a quiet reminder of the mountains' enduring embrace. Beyond Manali, villages like Sethan, Sethan, and Rumsu hold the quiet charm of a bygone era. Each has its own story, written on the landscape. Sethan sits high above, dramatic and snow-clad in winter. Sethan and Rumsu nestle in greener surroundings, rich with Kulu Valley history. Their wooden houses and ancient temples speak of simpler times. What makes these villages special is their peacefulness, far from the noise of modern life. Here, the loudest sounds are wind in the pines and children's laughter. The simplicity is a powerful reminder of what matters. Each village offers a unique silence. Sethan's vast, Sethan's gentle, Rumsu's domestic. Together they offer a profound escape into Himalayan tranquility. Sethan, perched at 2,700 meters, feels like a world apart, a hidden gem in the Himalayas. The journey is an adventure, climbing from pine forests to rugged openness, revealing breathtaking vistas at every turn. The Khampa people of Tibetan origin have shaped their lives around the mountains, their traditions deeply intertwined with the land. In winter, Sethan becomes a magical wonderland, blanketed in snow and profound silence, offering a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of modern life. It's a paradise for winter sports and quiet reflection, where one can find peace and adventure in equal measure. In summer, meadows bloom with wildflowers and streams sing, creating a vibrant and colorful landscape. Sethan is a base for trekkers heading to Hamta Pass, a gateway to even more stunning scenery. Whether snow or grass, the solitude and raw beauty are unforgettable, leaving an indelible mark on your soul. Prayer flags flutter, carrying blessings across the peaks, a reminder of the spiritual essence of this place. The village reminds you of nature's majesty and your own smallness, a humbling experience that stays with you. Here you feel both humbled and free, a rare combination that makes Sethan truly special. Sethan and Rumsu, cradled in the green Kulu Valley, are steeped in history. These villages have stories that echo through the ages, whispering tales of a time long past. Their houses, built in the Kathkuni style, have stood for centuries. These structures are not just homes but living museums, showcasing the architectural brilliance of ancient times. Sethan is a quiet village, life revolving around terraced fields and orchards. The rhythm of daily life is dictated by the seasons and the land. The community is close-knit, celebrating festivals and sharing traditions. These celebrations are vibrant, filled with music, dance, and a sense of unity. Rumsu, gateway to Malana, is known for its ancient Jamludevta temple. This temple stands as a testament to the village's spiritual heritage. Legends and folklore run deep, and the culture is proudly preserved. Elders pass down stories that keep the village's history alive. Visiting these villages feels like joining a large family. The warmth and hospitality of the villagers make every visitor feel at home. Life moves slowly. You might see wool being spun or stories shared under a tree. The simplicity of life here is a refreshing change from the hustle and bustle of modern cities. The air is scented with wood smoke and cooking food. These aromas are a comforting reminder of home-cooked meals and family gatherings. These are places to feel, not just see, a glimpse into a sustainable, rooted way of life. Every moment spent here is a step back in time. The past and present blend seamlessly in every lane. Each corner tells a story, each face a chapter in the ongoing narrative of these ancient villages. The Hamta Valley beautifully showcases the Himalayas' raw, untamed beauty. It connects the lush, vibrant Kulu Valley with the stark, dramatic Lahore landscapes. The Hamta River carves a winding path through forests, meadows, and ancient glaciers. The famous Hamta Pass trek reveals ever-changing scenery, forests, meadows, and snowfields. Waterfalls, wooden bridges, and wildflowers together paint a vivid, unforgettable landscape. Gadi shepherds have used this ancient route for centuries, moving flocks to high pastures. Their presence adds a timeless, enduring human touch to the wild. The valley teems with Himalayan flora and fauna, vultures, musk deer, and carpets of flowers. Hamta is a living, breathing ecosystem, a reminder of nature's delicate balance. It's a place to cherish and protect for all future generations. In villages like Sethan, Nathan, and Rumsu, your heartbeat slows to the rhythm of the hills. City noise fades, replaced by calm and presence. In Sethan, awe and solitude invite introspection. Watching snow fall, you find peace and clarity. Nathan and Rumsu offer connection and belonging. Smiling villagers, shared tea, and old stories create warmth and comfort. Happiness is found in simplicity. A warm fire, a good meal, a beautiful view. The mountains strip away the non-essential, revealing what matters. You leave with more than photos, a renewed perspective and the peace of the hills. The quiet space you find here stays with you long after the journey ends. Sethan, Nathan, and Rumsu are the soul of Himachal Pradesh. They stand as testaments to tradition, nature, and community. Their richness lies in the life they preserve, not material wealth. Progress here means preserving what is simple and true. These villages are authentic, living museums of Himalayan culture. Their sustainable lifestyles respect the forests, rivers, and mountains. As more seek solace in the hills, their example grows vital. They teach us to live gently, taking only what we need. These villages are a sanctuary, a window into the past, and a lesson in harmony. Protecting them is protecting our heritage. They are the quiet heart of the Himalayas, true treasures to cherish.